This is my morning job today on Saturday. So definitely don't want to take a wrong step up here. Changing cooling tower bearing. Both of these fans right here. Yeah. Had to do it on Saturday while most of the building shut down. You can run on one tower. Man, oh man. The only thing good up here is the view. Just don't take a wrong step right there. Whew. So I just got done replacing bearings and that pulley and the belts and everything on these cooling towers. Yep, I'm up here a little ways. This is the Saturday job they gave us to do. Bankers, 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 bankers. That's them all looking down on us peasants. Oh, ready to be done. Doing the last little bit of wrap up and torquing bolts, adjusting belts, put the fan grills back on top, and then get off this big building and hopefully be done around noon or whatever it will be. So, got time to get done. Catch you guys later.